Okay. So, it's time to start removing things. No one is going to come over here and do this for you. So, you gotta do it. That's the reality, the gravity of the situation at hand. So, we're going to start pulling a lot of stuff out.
Honestly, I was like incoherent. I have no idea what was wrong with me. And I'm belligerent and making no sense. Not even in a funny way, and more of like I'm having a stroke kind of way. So I'm skipping over all this. And I ended up, it's only a few bolts. Man, I feel like it's, what the hell was it? 2 engine bolts and 2 of the transmission crossmember bolts and a few like shifter linkage and throttle. There's almost nothing to it. It's relaxing, right? When it's only so many things to do. And all of it came out, even with the giant transmission mount crossmember thing attached to the back of the transmission already. It all came out nice on the hook. And then the only little bit of difficulty I had was just plopping this down in my Kia trailer here. The easiest way to do all this by far is utilize the Kia 2500 work truck and dump it straight into the trailer and scrap it. And that's how all these things get swapped. The Kia is the medium in which these all get their swaps. Anyway, it's out. Enjoy. I do the K member and whatnot next. And I think, again, I still hadn't put all my thoughts together. I was just working purely on muscle memory. So we'll get to that and we'll see where I'm at.
Okay, all of the mundane things, really just removing brakes, well, and a few front end things, and now I have taken the bolts out of the K member onto my patented trash can method here. Ta-da! So I wanted to show you quick, if you haven't seen the difference here. This is the tube A and K and engine mounts A's and K, and here's the stock K member and A arms and the tube boys. So luckily, yeah, my ball joints here were disintegrated, so yes, the new stuff comes with them. Yay! And I have engine mounts, and I have like a do-it-yourself transmission setup from him. All incredible stuff. Make a disaster, put it back together, and push everything out into the driveway. So these AJE caster camber plates require a little bit of drilling. I like the design though, because it puts everything on like a little spherical pillow here that you can rotate. It's hard to, I mean, once I install it all, you'll get it. Well, you drill holes for it, you bolt it in, yibbity blobbity.